Popcorn, probably the most agreeable snack out there. And since it's National Popcorn Day, we are looking into some of the ways you can elevate it. Here with some ideas on how to do just that, our food expert, Mary Berg. Mary,
Ben,
what a great day to have you here.
It is the best day in the world, in my opinion. I love popcorn more than anybody probably should.
To the point that you actually tailor where you're going to go to the movies depending on who's got the best popcorn.
Yeah, I'll go to the one with the rickety seats and the bad screen just because the popcorn is the best.
That is a love of popcorn that a
yeah.
lot of people don't have. So you're the perfect person to help us out. So it's not just about throwing some butter on popcorn today.
No,
what are we doing?
We're zhuzhing it up because like movie night needs popcorn,
Yeah.
right? Actually, any day needs popcorn. Oh. And as opposed to just classic movie where it's that kind of impressive yellow, yeah, which is like pretty amazing.
All right, here's what we're doing. Honey roasted peanut caramel corn.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, so it's so simple. To do caramel corn, you just have to make a caramel. So you start with melted butter. This one's browned a little bit, which is really nice. You don't have to do that. And we add to that, if you would stir for me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Brown sugar.
Okay.
And this one's gonna have honey in it as
Wow.
well.
Yeah, for the honey.
Oh yeah, because you got those honey roasted peanuts. We gotta have the honey in there. So you just dump that on in, stir it up, and then boil it.
Okay.
So boil it for about 4 or 5 minutes. That helps the sugar kind of solidify and make it nice and crispy. And that's what we get when we go here.
Okay.
And then to further that crisp, this is a trick that you do when you're making like sponge toffee or something like that. We add in vanilla.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And it bubbles, gets a little angry.
You want to start
and then
that
some
one?
baking soda.
Oh, really? Okay.
Which is weird, but it actually, if you would give it a stir, it freaks out a bit.
Wow.
But what it does is it actually makes that caramel like firm up and make it nice and crispy, crunchy.
Wow,
so you don't get weird soggy popcorn. So then what we do is we just dump this while it's still nice and piping hot on all that popcorn.
You want me to just stir that too?
Yeah, careful though, it's nice and hot. Ooh, the switcheroo. Yeah.
Oh, wow, oops.
Careful. And then we're gonna add some honey roasted peanuts
Yes.
to ump that up a little bit. Because I like popcorn with things on it.
I agree.
Yeah,
different textures.
More sweet things. Basically, all you do is mix that up until it's nice and coated.
Yeah.
Dump it on a sheet pan.
Okay.
Okay, that looks beautiful.
All right, let's dump this.
Dump away. That. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
And it's so easy.
And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be completely coated.
No, because then you get some that are a little salty, some that are a little sweet. It's perfect. And then we pop it in the oven. Oh yeah.
There you go.
We pop it in the oven for about an hour. That actually helps also.
For an hour?
Yeah, I know. It's a low oven.
Okay.
So we pop it in there and just let it kind of, again, crisp up so it dries out that caramel. And then you end up with something that looks like this. Which is like, so good.
So good.
I know.
So good.
And another spin on this kind of caramel corn thing. So over here, in addition to that butter and sugar, instead of the honey, we're adding maple syrup.
So whole same thing.
Whole same thing, but
Adding
maple syrup.
maple syrup.
Instead of the honey. So we also add that baking soda. It comes in.
Okay.
Give it a little stir.
And it goes crazy a
Goes
little bit.
crazy,
Yeah.
which is exciting, always exciting.
All right, ready?
And then we dump it on the popcorn.
Okay.
And again, Ben, I thought I was gonna be doing this with you today. So I thought, why the heck not do maple bacon popcorn?
Mary Berg, it's not even my birthday.
Yeah. But it's so good. Again, popcorn needs friends. And you just put that on there, mix it the same way.
Yeah.
And you throw it in the oven again. I cook my bacon just under crisp.
Because it's going to cook in the oven. That's what I was wondering.
Brilliant.
Okay, wow.
I don't even have to be here anymore.
No, yes, you do.
Yeah.
You so do. This could be a disaster. Okay.
But it's beautiful, easy. Throw it on a pan.
And this goes on a plate, on a pan as well. And then you have this here.
You end up with this deliciousness.
I gotta try this.
Yeah, go in there. This is a Ben-only popcorn. I'm still
going with the bacon.
the other one. Right?
Oh yeah.
It's really good.
That's fantastic.
It's like mapley, you got the smokiness, and then
I've often wondered, I really thought I'd reached the maximum, like, peak bacon in my life.
no.
You found a way to put it on popcorn.
Oh, welcome to popcorn bacon world, because it's very exciting.
Finally, for the people on the go,
Yes.
they want to enjoy their popcorn on the go.
Yeah.
Talk to me about a marshmallow square.
Okay, so instead of using that kind of rice cereal that you use for a marshmallow square, I'm using popcorn, because like, eating popcorn is not the most polite thing in the world. You're going
never
handfuls.
is.
No. Whereas if you got it in a square, you can be dainty about it, I think.
Dainty?
Yeah.
You could cut it as a finger sandwich.
You could. Oh, it's like a church lady sandwich in popcorn form. But instead of, so we've got the butter melted, marshmallows melted in there, so easy peasy, and then some peanut butter.
Oh, yes.
Because we want to zhuzh it up a little bit more. And then, Ben, if you would help me,
Sure.
we're going to drizzle some chocolate on there.
Oh, nice, okay.
Any which way you want. and then you just cut it into squares.
You let this dry, I'm guessing?
You let it dry, so that is at about 20 minutes, and then cut it. Actually, you don't even have to let it dry, let's be honest.
Yeah. And you put as little or as much of this on top, I guess, as you want.
And then you end up with these little bad boys.
So it's a chocolate peanut butter sort of caramel popcorn
square.
That's awesome.
It's so easy.
Mary Berg, all of these are easy and they're all delicious. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Popcorn Day.
Happy Popcorn Day.
Happy Popcorn Day to you. And as always, you can find these recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca. Hey guys, I'm bringing all this stuff downstairs. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.